If you ever watched Spongebob, you surely noticed these houses. And have you ever wondered how would they look like 3D printed? In this video, we are going to find out. First, I need to find a model. This one is perfect. I started with the leaves. Then I started printing the pineapple. It was looking great, until I accidentally plugged my camera to the printer. And it restarted the printer and stopped the print. And I needed to print it again. But after 6 hours, it was finally done. Then I printed the Squidward house. And luckily, it was printed on first try. I removed the supports and it was ready. And the last one is the Patrick's house. I put there the antenna and it was done. I placed it next to the Squidward house, and it was finally all together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me in comments what should I print next. See you in next video.